Good news, monetization of Leap Credits 2024. Pwede na, avail na. Yes, friends, may guidelines na po tayo sa monetization of Leap Credits sa office po namin. So, I availed of this monetization of Leap Credits. Magkano ang na-approve? Ano po ang computation? Please watch the full video. Alright, let's get started. Disclaimer, ang video content natin ay hindi applicable sa lahat. Merong mga office or company na walang monetization of leave credits. Pero sa mga meron, good news po sa atin. Like us or like me. Kasi I availed of this. Bago lang po kahapon. And meron na pong computation. So disclaimer, hindi ko sabihin ang office namin kasi Data Privacy Act po tayo. Right? So ano po yung formula or computation sa monetization of leave credits? Answer, ayan po. Formula po is basic salary times 0.0481927 times number of days. So ang basis po is leave credits, no? As of the month of December 2023. So ilan po yung VL mo tsaka SLs for the month of December 2023, yan po ang basis sa monetization of leave credits. In my case, I have 15 VL tapos 50 SL. According sa HR namin, pwede ako magpa-monetize. Very qualified po. Basta mag-iwan na po ng 5 days sa VL ko and pwede na po. So, ang i-avail ko lang, friends, is 9 VL or 9 vacation leave plus 9 sick leave. So, total of 18 days. So, yan po. Basic salary, 44,460 tayo times 0.0481927 times 18 days. Total of 38,567.65. So, yan po ang makuha ko sa monetization of leave credits. By the way, hindi ako sure if itong formula is applicable also to other companies or offices. Sa amin, ito po. Siguro may basis po yung HR namin kung saan niya nakuha itong formula. So may guidelines ito. Hindi ko lang sure kung applicable to other office or company. Alright? So, share ko lang para may idea kayo how much yung makuha nyo if magpa-monetize kayo sa leave credits ninyo. So, ma-avail natin ito once a year lang. Normally, first quarter of the year. January to March. That's what I believe. Alright? So, thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.